Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to use OTG adapter or OTG pen drive in Vivo Y75 smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. So this one is a OTG adapter. This one is a normal pen drive. So I will insert the pen drive into the OTG adapter. Then I insert this setup into the phone like this. So after inserting, you need to enter into the settings. Then click the Bluetooth and devices. Now click the OTG to enable. Now come back to the main screen. You can see the USB icon here. You need to swipe down the notification panel, then click the SanDisk USB pen drive and click. Now you can access the files in the pen drive. So if you want to copy the file, you need to click on the file and then click the copy to, then choose the internal storage and click copy. So after you finish it, if you want to remove, you can't directly remove that. It will damage the pen drive on the phone. You need to click like this, then click the eject, then wait for a few seconds, then only you can remove the pen drive. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.